Welcome to ClipsUncut, my dear friends. Today I want to talk about Lenovo's Flex 5 14-inch touchscreen laptop with AMD Ryzen 7 5700U. It's a 1080p Windows 11 laptop, which is currently listed on Costco's website. Usually goes for $800, but they've listed it for $150 off, so you can get it for $650 plus tax. Item number 1588493. Again, item number 1588493. Model number is 82HU00JPUS. I'm going to leave the link in the description. That the offer ends tomorrow, so you might want to order it online and you can pay like $9 shipping. I already got it. I'm going to do an unboxing from the other side, but let's just quickly go over the specs. So again, processor is AMD Ryzen 7 5700U, 8-core processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, no optical drive, Windows 11 64-bit, 14-inch touchscreen LCD with LED-backlit FHD 1920 by 1080, 250 nits display, integrated AMD Radeon graphics, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, integrated 720 webcam with privacy shutter, backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, one USB 3.1 Type-C with power delivery, two USB H.1, two USB 3.1, one HDMI out, 4-in-1 media card reader, headphone, microphone combination jack, and again, item number is 1588493, model number is 82HU00JPUS, and it comes with a 2-year warranty and 90-day return policy on Costco's website. Shop with confidence. Anyway, so let's do the unboxing from the other side. So let's do the unboxing for the Lenovo's Flex 5. These are the specs. AMD R7 5700U, 1.8 GHz, 16GB RAM, 512 SSD, integrated GPU. Display is 14 FHD IPS TS, 3-cell battery, Windows 11 Home, EN UPC, color is graphite gray, Idea Flex 5 14AL-C05, model name is 82HU, serial number, country of origin, weight, manufacturing date, recycled paperboard. Let's do the unboxing. So that's the charger. That's the wire. Of course, a little plasticky, and let's see, I think should be a 65 watt. Yes, it is a 65 watt charger with the Type-C charging pin. Flex 5 setup guide. Okay. Use your USB-C adapter. Instruction booklets. Nice thick plastic. And that's got slight weight to it, but it's okay. That's your Lenovo branding right there. On the right hand side, that's your power button, memory card reader, 2 USB slots. That's your ventilation, and on the bottom as well. model name with the manufacturing date, manufactured for Lenovo, made in China, contains all of that, rubber cushioning or grips on the bottom, along with this entire rubber cushioning. That's your headphone jack, that's your power light. I think that's the power, sorry, that's the headphone jack. USB Type-C, that's your power cord and the power cord light, and that's your HDMI out. So this should be able to charge that, but then this charger is not included, so I'm not too sure as to how will that work. Okay, and that is your keyboard protector. Lenovo services, thank you for your purchase. You are going to love this. We shall see. And that is your AMD Ryzen 7 5000 series, AMD Radeon graphics card, IdeaPad, Flex 5 privacy shutter, 360 versatility, front facing speakers, that's your QR code, fingerprint reader, Lenovo, speaker grill, the trackpad, nice and grippy. Nice satisfying click right there. And this is not at all plasticky and slight rubberish, which is a good thing. That's your Dolby audio. And the awesome keyboard. Oh, the keyboard is amazing. That's your that's the screen with the privacy shutter. And let's try to do a full 360. And yep, there you see it. Hinges are good and strong, not too and that's your yep, so it stays. So yeah, it's pretty good, decent, strong enough. This is really good build quality for the price point. Amazing quality, very good. That's the overall thickness, so which is probably less than an inch, I guess. So yeah, that's almost half an inch. I really like it. Superb. All right, so yeah friends, as you saw, this laptop has an amazing build quality, very nice keyboard, amazing trackpad, all these other ports, the screen, 360, compact, medium lightweight, 65 watt charging, USB Type-C charging. They've given this traditional port, charging port, but they've not given the wire for it, so it's a little surprising, but it's okay. With this fingerprint reader, perfect. I think it's just perfect for personal, business, whatever, work from home situation. You know, perfect laptop, very good build quality. Again, I can't stress more on this one. you know, once you type, you'll know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, Costco's website, I'm going to leave the link in the description. $650 guys, $650 with 9 for your shipping plus tax. You know, perfect price point. I think it's an amazing price, amazing laptop. I've been also using my the other one, 1165 i7, and I'm just loving this. I mean, no issues, zero issues so far. And yeah, so give it a shot. 1588493, go order it right now. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.